Hello, yogis. Begin lying on your mat. Feet on the floor, knees up toward the sky. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Press into your feet as you lift your hips, inhaling as your hips rise, exhaling as your hips lower. Inhale your hips up, exhale your hips down. Progressing into single leg lifts. Lift the hips, lift one leg, lower the hips, lift the hips, replace the foot, and lower the hips to the ground. Change legs. Continue to breathe. Single leg stretch. Hug both knees in. Keep the left knee. Extend your right foot. Heel rests on the floor, foot flexed. Change legs. Continue to breathe. Change legs again. Place your left foot on the floor. Lift your right leg. Cross your ankle over the thigh. Draw your left knee toward your chest. Figure 4 stretch. Keep your right ankle crossed over left femur. Drop your legs to the left. Think of hollowing out through the right hip. Change sides. Left ankle over right femur. Right femur folds in toward the chest. Breathe. Keep the ankle crossed over knee. Drop your legs to the right. Kick through your legs to stretch the backs of your knees. Extend your right leg up toward the sky, heel flexed. Gently draw your leg toward your chest. Trade sides. Flex your left heel. Hug your knees in and draw your knees toward your shoulders. Keep your left knee bent, extend your right leg. Open both legs, stretching the right inner thigh. Unite the legs again, trade sides. You're welcome to keep the feet together as you open and close the legs, or extend your knees and open and close the legs. Extend both legs up toward the sky, just for a moment. Connect to your low abs. Release. Transition to your belly. Place your forehead on your hands. Anchor your pubic bone as you alternate lifting each leg. Rise up to the forearm. Sweep your right hand back for the foot. Draw the heel toward your glute. Forehead can rest on the forearm. Change legs. Continue to breathe. Press back to child's pose. Knees wide, forehead on the floor. Enjoy a few breaths in and out. Stand up slowly, have a sip of water, and have a great day.